Hello and welcome to the Zeke for ZOS Task Events video series. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to create and maintain a task event using the Zeke ISPF online facility. A task event in Zeke is a way to define and schedule a job that runs on a remote system, like a Xena or Enterprise Orchestrator agent. Zeke doesn't just schedule the job, it also sends it to the right remote platform agent through secure messaging. Once the job runs, Zeke captures the output and saves it based on how your server is configured. When you define a task event, you specify the event name, the remote agent's ID, or netreg ID, and if needed, login credentials. These credentials allow Zeke to authenticate with the remote server. You can also monitor the status of each task event using Schedule View and fine-tune how Zeke communicates with remote agents through EA services settings. In short, task events connect Zeke with remote systems, letting you run distributed jobs easily and securely. To define or maintain a task event, first access the Event Master definition screen. From the Zeke primary menu, enter option 1. The Event Master selection criteria screen is displayed. To add a new task event, enter Add. The Add Event Record function screen is displayed. Enter option 9 to add a task event. The Event Master definition add screen is displayed. In our example, we are configuring an email task event. Let's walk through the key fields on the Event Master definition screen. The EVT field specifies the numeric identifier assigned to the event. The DESC field provides a brief description of the event's purpose. The event name is the unique name assigned to the task event. The system field specifies the Zeke system on which the task is scheduled to run. The SCHED field defines the scheduled execution time in a 48 hours format. The task field identifies the type of task to be executed, such as OS, email, SFTP, and iSeries. The login field indicates the login credentials used to execute the task. The To field specifies the email address of the recipient. The Subject field defines the subject line of the email. After entering the basic event data, proceed to fill out additional task-specific fields. The Target field specifies the netreg ID of the remote platform agent where the task event is intended to run. Zeke uses the netreg ID to identify and communicate with platform agents registered through Xena or Enterprise Orchestrator. The platform agent must support the task service defined in the task event. For example, if the task type is an SFTP operation, only platform agents that support SFTP will be considered. If multiple eligible platform agents are available, Zeke selects the agent with the lowest dispatch count. Although Zeke folds the target value to uppercase, the comparison is case-insensitive. The task field specifies the task type. You can position your cursor on the task field and press Enter to select from a list of available task types. The login field is required if the task type needs authentication. In such cases, specify the appropriate login record in this field. Type logins on the command line and press Enter. This action opens the Zeke logins directory. From the Zeke logins directory, you can browse existing login records or create a new one as required. When finished, press F3 to return to the Event Master definition screen. Review your input values carefully and type Save on the command line to save your task event definition. This makes it available for scheduling and execution. You have now completed the steps to define a task event using Zeke for ZOS. For additional support, refer to the Zeke documentation available on the Rocket documentation portal. Click on the URL to access the updated Zeke documentation. Thank you for watching.